The suspects in the Boston Marathon bombing were on their way to New York to carry out another attack, according to police. The two men planned on using a pressure cooker explosive like in Boston and 5 pipe bombs.
He told the FBI apparently that he and his brother had intended to drive to New York and designate additional explosives in Times Square.
Zohar Tsarnaev, who's now been charged and could face the death penalty, is still in a Boston hospital. The 19-year-old is said to have told police that the devices were in the car they stole last Thursday night, and the plan to go to New York failed after his brother Tamerlan was killed in a shootout with police. Zohar was captured the following night. Pakistani immigrant Faisal Shahzad was jailed for life after planting a bomb in New York's Times Square that failed to detonate in 2010. 3 people were killed and 264 injured by the 2 devices near the finish line at Boston's marathon on April the 15th.